Pandora was the first woman sculpted from clay by Hephaestus, the god of the forge. Each god bestowed a gift upon her, hence her name, Pandora, meaning all gifted. Aphrodite granted her beauty, Apollo music, and Hermes persuasion. These gifts, however, were but a prelude to Zeus's final fateful offering. Zeus, still enraged from Prometheus's theft of fire, planned a cunning retribution. He presented Pandora with a magnificent jar, a pythos, and forbade her ever to open it. Within this jar, he had hidden something terrible, something that would punish humankind for their newfound knowledge. Pandora, naive and innately curious, found herself drawn to the jar. Its exquisite craftsmanship and the weight of Zeus's decree only amplified its allure. Despite the warnings, she couldn't shake off the desire to know what lay hidden inside. Day after day, she found herself circling the jar, her fingers itching to lift its lid. The whispers of the gods echoed in her ears, their warnings battling with her own burgeoning curiosity. The forbidden knowledge seemed to beckon, promising untold wonders. Finally, Pandora could resist no longer. With trembling hands, she lifted the lid just a crack. In that instant, a cacophony of shrieks and hisses erupted from the jar, and a dark cloud billowed out, engulfing the world. Out poured disease, despair, envy, and every evil imaginable. They swarmed across the earth, infecting the hearts of men and poisoning the world with their venomous touch. Pandora, horrified, tried in vain to recapture the escaping evils, but it was too late. As quickly as it had begun, the torrent of evil ceased. Pandora, weeping in despair, noticed a faint sound emanating from the jar, a gentle fluttering. Hesitantly, she peered inside and discovered, nestled at the very bottom, a single, solitary entity. It was Hope, the last of the spirits within the jar. Hope fluttered out into the world, offering solace and the promise of better days. Zeus, in his wrath, had imprisoned Hope alongside the evils, but even he could not contain its enduring power. And so Pandora's story became a tale not just of curiosity and its price, but also of the enduring strength of hope, even in the face of overwhelming darkness.